Good morning, particular children. Okay. Get ready for the class. We are doing trigonometry. About trigonometry, what is trigonometry and what is the use of this chapter and what are the trigonometrical ratios. I explained since 3-4 days. See, it is derived from Greek word trigonon, means a triangle, metron, measure. Measure of a triangle, a right angle triangle here, particularly right angle triangle. There are three sides in a triangle. We can arrange three sides in 6 ratios. Each ratio is defined as first ratio, opposite side of the angle by hypotenuse. So sine theta. Theta is an angle, acute angle. And the next adjacent side of the angle by hypotenuse, cosine theta. Shortly we say cos theta. And this is the second ratio. And third ratio, opposite side of the angle by adjacent side of the angle, it is defined as tan theta. After knowing these 6 ratios, we know sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. Tan theta reciprocal is cot theta, cos theta reciprocal is sec theta, cosec theta. These are the 6 ratios. After knowing this, we did in the first exercise, if one ratio is given, we can find all the remaining 5 ratios. By using Pythagoras theorem, we can find the third side and we can find whatever he asked. Suppose given tan theta 7/24, then we have to find hypotenuse 25. We can find other ratios. If we give one ratio, value of the one ratio, we can write the remaining 5 ratios. Immediately we can write. How to find the values, I explained in previous classes. And after that, next we are learning angle values of the trigonometrical ratios of some specific angles. Specific angles means 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees. 90 degrees. This is T ratio. Trigonometrical ratio. See, once again I am explaining. First is sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta, cosec theta. Easy method I explain you. Geometrically we can find the values, and with the fingertips also we can easily find. I explained yesterday also. The thumb is 0. This is 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. I am starting from here. See, sin 0. What is the formula I tell you? I told you yesterday. Number of fingers, number of fingers left, number of fingers left, left side of the left side of the angle finger, angle finger. Your angle finger is 0. This is 30 degrees finger, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. Under root by 2 by 2 by 2. Suppose I want to explain 0 degrees first, and I am taking this one, and there is no fingers in the left side. Number of fingers left side of the angle finger, left side. This is right side, this is left side. No fingers this side. So 0 under root 0 by 2. So this is 0 by 2. This is 0. So sin 0 is 0. Next come to sin 30. This is 30. How many fingers are left here? Left side 1. So root 1 by 2. This is for 30 degrees. This is for 0. Sin 0. Sin 30. Now this is 1 by 2. Root 1 is 1 only, 1 by 2. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. So you please by heart the values. Next sin 45. Third figure. How many fingers are left here? This is 45. No? Left side. Left side of the angle finger. Left side. How many fingers are left? 2. So sin 45 degrees is 1 by root 2 by 2. In the formula only there is 2. So by 2 by 2 by 2. This is root 2 by root 2 into root 2. So cancel, we get 1 by root. Now this is 1 by root. Next to 60 degrees. 0, 30, 45, 60. 60. So close this. How many fingers are left? 3 fingers. So sin 60 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2. 3 fingers are left for 60 degrees. Okay. So this is root 3 by 2. Next sin 90. 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Close it. How many fingers are left? 4 fingers. So sin 90 is root 4 by 2. Root 4 is 2. 2 by 2, that is 1. So sin 90 is 1. So you please by heart the values of sin. Then you can write easily from reverse cos theta. Here 1 is there. Next root 3 by 2. Next 1 by root 2. Next 1 by 2. Next 0. So sin values, if we know the values of sin theta angles values, then we can easily write cos. Reverse. For cos we have to reverse from here. For sin I am starting here 0. For cos you start from here. Cos 90. This becomes 90. Cos 0 this is. Because we are starting for sin here 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Now for cos it becomes starting at 0, 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Values, same values are repeated but in reverse. Reverse order. Now how to write tan? Tan is nothing but sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta is tan. We can write tan theta in terms of sin cos as sin theta by cos theta. So this is sin. These are the values numerator, denominator. Sin tan 0, 0 by 1, 0. Tan 30, 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. This is 1 by root 3, and this is 1, and 2 cancel root 3, and this is not defined. Division by 0 is not defined. If we know these three, we can write the remaining ratios easily by reciprocals, by writing the reciprocals. Cot theta reciprocal. 0 is reciprocal is not defined. And 1 by root 3, reciprocal, 1, reciprocal, 1 by root 3, and this is 0. See, there root 3 reciprocal is nothing but 1. This is written as 1 by root 3, like this. You assume there is 1 in the denominator. Okay. And sec theta, this is the reciprocal of cos. Cos, here 1 is there, 1 only. Root 3 by 2, 2 by root 3. And here 1 by root 2. And here 1 by 2, 0. Reciprocal of 0 is not defined. And come to cosec theta. This is nothing but reciprocal of cos, sin 0. ND not defined. 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, reciprocal. And 2 by root 3, 2 by root 3, and this is 1, like this. See, every student should know all the values of trigonometric ratios. There is no confusion. You simply by heart the values of sine. For cos, reverse the order for cos and values. If we know sine and cos, we can write easily tan. If we know these three, we can write easily the remaining ratios, reciprocals. So, like this you can easily remember. You need not confuse by saying this large table. How to remember, I explain you easily. You have to do only, you have to by heart, you have to learn only sine. If you write sine, if you are able to write sine, you can easily reverse the order for cos. After writing sine and cos, we can easily write tan, because tan is nothing but sin theta by cos theta. So this is numerator, this is denominator. After writing these three ratios, remaining three are the reciprocals. Reciprocal of sine cosec, reciprocal of cos sec, reciprocal of tan cot. You should know everything, all is easy way. You slowly please follow. This is very important chapter. Those who want to study higher studies, trigonometry. This is the easiest way. There is other methods to remember all these, but that is difficult to you. You need not confuse. Now this is easy. Now let us go to exercise. First one, evaluate the following. Page 288. Evaluate the following. Sine 45 degrees plus cos 45 degrees. Number 1. Number 2, sine 30, Sin 30 degrees plus tan 45 minus cosec 60 whole by cot 45 plus cot 60 minus sec 30. Simply you have to write the values and simplify. Substitute the values. Second, cos 45 by sec 30 plus cosec 60. Four, 2 tan squared 45 plus cos squared 30 minus sin squared 60. Fifth, secant squared 60 minus tan squared 60 by sin squared 30 plus cos squared 30. Okay. Now simply substitute the values, angle values. First problem, sin 45. Sin 45 1 by root 2. Cos 45 also 1 by root 2. So you should simply substitute the values. 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2. LCM root 2. No. 1 plus 1. 2 by root 2. 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2 by root 2. So cancel. We get root 2 is the answer. Now sin 30 half, sin 45 1 minus cosec 60, cosec 60 2 by root by cot 45 1 cos 60 half sec 30 2 by root. See, here numerator and denominator both are equal. Half is there, here half. Plus 1 is there, plus 1. Plus half, plus 1. Minus 2 by root 3, minus 2 by root 3. Here numerator and denominator is same. You don't worry, cancel this. Its value is 1. Cos 45 1 by root 2 and sec 30 2 by root 3 plus cosec 60 2 by root 2 by root plus 2 by root. Okay. Now this is 1 by root 2 whole by LCM root 3 and this is 2 plus 2 4. Finally this becomes 1 by root 2 1 by root 2 1 by root 2 into root 3 by 4. Finally, root 3 by 4 root 2. Yes. This is the answer. per second. And third, we did fourth, tan 45 squared, tan 45 1 squared, cos 30, root 3 by 2, cos 30, root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2 squared, minus sin squared 60, root 3 by 2 squared. Here both are equal. With the different sign we can cancel. So answer is 2 into 1, that is 2. Root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2. Both are squared. Plus and minus, cancel. Now fifth, sec 60. Sec 62, 2 squared. Minus tan 60, root 3 squared, tan 60, root 3, sin 30, 1 by 2 squared, plus 1 by 2 squared, cos squared 30 is root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2 squared. Now this is 2 squared is 4, root 3 squared is 3 by 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Now this is 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4, 1. So the answer is 1. Fifth. So like that we have to do. But the main thing is you have to remember the values. Unless you don't know the values, you can't solve. Don't confuse. You please by heart values for sign. If you write sign, if you know sign, you can easily write cos. You can easily say cos. After knowing both the sin and cos, sin by cos is tan theta. If we know these three, remaining three are the reciprocals. Like that you have to follow. Don't confuse. Again, second question. Second question, again there are problems. Second, 2 tan 30 degrees by 1 plus tan square 45 degrees. First, so object type given here, sin 60 A, sin 60 degrees B, cos 60 degrees C, tan 30 degrees D, sin 30 degrees. Second, 1 minus tan squared 45 by 1 plus tan squared 45. Values A, tan 90, B, 1, C, sin 45, D, 0. Third, 2 tan 30 by 1 minus tan squared 30. A, cos 60, B, sin 60, C, tan 60, D, sin 30. like this. Let us calculate 2 tan 30. Tan 30 value is 1 by root 3 by 1 plus tan 45 1. So this is 2 by root 3 by 2. 2 means 1. 2 by root 3 into 1 by 2. 2 cancel, we get 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 value comes from tan 30 C. So answer is C. C. Answer is C. 2C. Because we are getting answer 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 from tan 30 degrees. So tan 30 degrees answer. Tan 30 degrees is C. Second question. Tan 1 minus tan 45 1. Square also there. 1 plus 1. So 0 by 2. 0. So where comes 0? Tan 90 or sin 0. Tan 0. Tan D is 0 is there. So answer is D. Answer is D. Third question. Tan into 30. 2 into tan 30 means 1 by root 3 and 1 minus 1 by root 3. Take LCM and square also there. Is there square? Yes, square is there. So this is squared. Now this is 2 by root 3 by 1 minus 1 by 3. This is 2 root 3 by 2 by 3. 2 by root 3 into 3 by 2. 2 cancel. Now this is 3 by root 3. 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3 by root 3. So root 3 cancel. We get answer root 3. Root 3 we get value here cos 60 1 by 2, sin 60 root 3 by 2, tan 60 root 3 value, tan 60 root 3 is we are getting root 3, so answer is tan 60. Tan 60 is C. Third C. Right. Multiple choice questions are given. We can we have to simplify first and next. Evaluate this value. Third one. First of all, there are formulae. Sin of A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. One formula. And here is minus. Here comes minus. And similarly, cos of A plus B. A plus B, cos A, cos B, minus, the plus is there, we are writing minus, the formula minus will come in cos, whereas in sin, plus is there, plus only, minus is there, minus. But in case of cos, A plus B, we are writing minus, sin A into sin B. Now, minus means here plus. So these are the formula. Now third question given, evaluate sin 60 into cos 30 plus sin 30 into cos 60. This is in the form of sin of A plus B. It is in the form of sin of a plus b, where a is equal to 60 degrees and b is equal to 30 degrees. So this is sin of 60 plus 30. So this is sin 90. Sin 90 value is 1. From table you know sin 91. Like that we have to do. We did not simplify by seeing this. Oh, it is A, this is B. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin. Like that. A value is 60, B value is 30. It is in the form of sin of A plus B form. Is it right to say? No. Or is it right to say that? Is it right to say cos of 60 plus 30 degrees is equal to cos 60 cos 30 cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Sin A 60, sin B 30. Yes. It is in the form of cos of A plus B formula. It is in the form of cos of A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, like this. Now it is yes, and simply write yes, where A is 60 degrees and B is equal to 30 degrees. So it is same cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. It is in the form of cos of A plus B. So right, it is right. In a right angle triangle, fifth problem. Fifth, in a right angle triangle PQ6, determine the other lengths both. Draw triangle. Or otherwise repeat that. So right angle triangle PQR. PQR. The PQ 60 degrees and PQ is 6. Right angle at Q, okay. PQ given 6 centimeters and RPQ means 60 degrees. Find the lengths of QR and PR. Let us find, they are given on the same side. We can easily find hypotenuse. The ratio having these two sides sides relation is cos. So immediately we can write cos 60 degrees is equal to adjacent side by adjacent side of the angle by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse, that is PQ by PR. Cos 60 value half. Cos 60 degrees value half. Adjacent side given PQ 6. Hypotenuse we have to find PR. Cross multiply PR is equal to cross multiply PR is equal to 12 centimeters. That is over. So PR is 12 centimeters. Next we have to find QR. Given adjacent side, we have to find opposite side. The relation is having cot 60 degrees is equal to adjacent side of theta by opposite side of theta. Cot 60 is 60 1 by root 3. Cot 60 1 by root 3 by adjacent side given 6, opposite side of theta is QR. Cross multiply QR is equal to 6 root 3 centimeters, like this. So we are finding if one angle and one side is given, we can find the other sides. That is the useful of trigonometry. If we know one angle and one side, we can write other two sides. We can find other two sides. Sixth problem, xy in the triangle xyz, right angle is xy. Determine angles. Okay, now in this problem, he is asking angles. X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z. In the triangle X, Y, Z, angle Y is 90 and YZ is X, YZ is X small x and XZ 2x. Find the angles. We have to find the other angles here. Given two sides, opposite side of x and the hypotenuse limit. So if we write sin x degrees is equal to opposite side of angle x by hypotenuse. Yes. This is x by 2x. Here x common cancel 1 by 2. We get value 1 by 2. 1 by 2 comes from sin 30 degrees. 30 degrees. The value half will come from 30 degrees. Sin 30 degrees is equal to half. Therefore, angle x is equal to 30 degrees. If this is 30, automatically we can write this has 60. Angle Z is equal to 90 minus 30 is equal to 60 degrees. We can find x. So this is the way of finding angles. If we know the two sides, the value from the value we have to write one angle. Automatically we can write the seventh rule. Sin of a plus b so sin of a plus b is equal to sin a plus sin b. Is it right? No. Is it right to say? No. Is it right to write this? No. No, because sin of a plus b is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. This is formula, but here given only sin a plus sin b. No, it is not according to the given formula. Sin of a plus b is this one. It is not in the form because it is not in the form. Yes, that's why it is not equal. So you please do all examples